Saturday morning fabrics. Yay, look at these. These are so beautiful. This is a double, it's 100% cotton, but it's double. These are all $16.99. This is such a great price. This is a beautiful blue, um, real medium color blue. Black is the background. It's a dual layer, and it's a knit. So you could make a really cool sweatshirt out of it and have both layers show. You could use it for trim. You know, it'd be automatically, oh, just a great fabric. Great fabric. 100% cotton, stretch in both directions. Wonderful for this time of year. I put with it this cotton poly piece because the blues are so beautiful together. If you did a little jacket out of this and then did a blouse, it would be just a great combination. Of course, it has black in it too. This is 100% silk. And again, it's a woven, $17.99, you guys. $17.99 today and tomorrow only for this. I love this. This is so beautiful. It's got a great selvage. I know it's black. I know it's hard to see, but it's a beautiful piece of silk. Very, very nice. And then I put with it this because I thought this would just be so much fun as a little trim or like a little sleeve. You know, our new blouse, this would be great to have that piece going across. Oh, I just love that. This is a cotton poly. It's a woven. And this is the same as the blue and black here, but it's a gray and black. Again, 100% cotton. Stretch in both directions. Great for a little jacket. Just perfect for a little jacket. Then we have this cute little slinky that is just adorable. It's a cotton poly. It's a great pattern. It's a silver black. Just cute, easy, looks great. Perfect for winter time. All, you know, whatever you make would be great. So again, $16.99 for all those fabrics today and tomorrow. You know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.